Hello everyone, welcome to our channel codersarcade. In this tutorial, I will be talking about a very important topic in Java OOPS concepts, which is, as you can see here, inheritance in Java. So, in our earlier videos, we have learned a lot about the object-oriented programming concepts like creating classes, objects, and so on. In this video, I'll be talking about this topic, which is inheritance in Java. Before starting this video, I would like to request you people to please like and share our videos with your friends and family, and also at the same time, please hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications regarding our latest updates and you do not miss out on our further uploads. Thank you. So without any more ado, let's start. So as I said, today's topic is inheritance in Java. So what basically is inheritance? Inheritance means creating an object which can utilize or inherit the properties of an existing object. So why we use inheritance? Inheritance is used for code reusability, and the process involves creating new classes which can use the methods and field of existing classes, and moreover we can also create new methods and fields in the new classes also. So let me just give you a brief example so that you can understand better about the same topic. So first of all, let me create a simple class, say operations. Okay. So inside this, I am going to take a variable, say public int addition. This will be my method. Okay. So here, as you can easily see from the name of the method, it will perform addition, right? So I am taking two parameters. So int of a comma int of b. It's simple, right? So here what I will do is I will simply return a plus b. So it's as simple as this. Now this is the class operations. Here I have taken a method which is the addition, which is of the integer data type, right? Therefore, as we know, in methods which have the integer or float or any other data type which return something, we should give the return statement, and here in this case it is returning the addition of the two parameters or the variables a and b. So now this is done. Okay, now public class main, and in this class I will be having my main method. Simple. So public, just don't follow the syntax. Syntax can be learned afterwards, but learn the logic first, okay? Then only you can execute it properly. So public void main, and inside this I will be creating a first object of my operations class. How do we do that? As I told in my earlier videos, we call my class operations and then we create an object. So let me take it to be op and then 1, because this is the first object, right? Then equal to, we use the new keyword, and finally after that we again call our class. So this is done. And now what we will do is I will create a new variable result 1 is equal to, here I will use my object op1, and if I use the dot property, as you know, we will get access to this method addition. and here it will be asking me the parameters, right, or the arguments which will be filled here. So let me take 2 comma 3. Okay, done. Now I will use the print statement. And here what I will do is I will print my result1 variable. This is it. Now if I run this, what do you think will be the output? The output will be simple, right? For these 2 arguments or values, I will get the result. The result will be this one, a plus b. So that's it. If my output will be here, 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. As simple as this. Now suppose in case of inheritance, what I want to do is, as I told, in a new class I will be using this method also, and I will try to implement some more methods. So what can I do for this? Let me show you. I will just erase this part. So now I want this class, but I want to create another class which will have this method also and another method. So how can I do this? I can use this by using the extends keyword. Okay, so let me show you how to write this. So class, if this is operations, let me say A, B, V operations. So I will write extends, and then I will write this thing, operations. So this is how we do this, right? And inside this, what we can do is we can write the new methods. So as soon as I write extends, so this ADB operations class will inherit this method, and we can have more methods in this new class. So what I will do is I will write public int, say subtraction. So here also I will take 2 parameters, int a comma int b. Okay, and here let me take the method, or here I will return simple a minus b. Fine. Now in the main method, what I will do is, I am not writing all the other parts. You can understand that, right? So in the main method, what I am going to do is, I will create an object for this class, not this class, because this class extends the fields and methods from the existing class, which is operations. So now I want to tell you the names. So this class will be called the parent class, and then similarly this class will be called the child class. We have many more names. We can say superclass, and this can be called subclass. So the logic is the same, but the name is different. Parent, child, then super and sub. Okay. Then what I will do is, I will create a variable for this one. So ADV operations C1, or any object by the name C1 is equal to new keyword, and then I will call my class again ADV operations. So this is how I have instantiated an object which is C1 to this class. Now just because this class extends from this class, so it will inherit this method also. How can you do this? I will show you. So int res1, and I will create another one, int res2 is equal to, and here I will call my C1 and C1 dot. First I will use addition, which is from the parent class, and then I will use subtraction, which is from the child class or this class. and here it will be asking me the two parameters. So simple, I will give 2, 3, and in this case let me give any number, doesn't matter, right? We just want to see the output. So let me say 5, 2. Okay, so if I use my print statement, what do you think will happen for result 1 and result 2? For result 1, I will get the output as 2 plus 3 as 5, and in this case I will get for subtraction 5 minus 2 as 3. So this is how we implement the inheritance property in case of object-oriented programming in Java. So it's simple, right? This is the parent class, this is the child class, and this child class has its own method which is known as subtraction, and also it can inherit the existing method addition which is there in the parent class. So this is the benefit of inheritance. We can reuse the existing code or method or field from the existing class, and also we can have a new method inside our new class. Now this is single level inheritance. We can do it in many more ways. Suppose if I write class, say more advanced operations, then if I write, say, let me just erase this thing, otherwise it will confuse you, right? So here I will write extends, then it has to extend from this one, ADV operations. Okay? So now simply here what I can do is, I can use a method public int, say it can be, here we have addition, we have subtraction, we can have division, multiplication, anything, or we can have 2, 3 methods also. But the advantage is that we can use the defined methods here, or also we can use the pre-existing methods from this class and also from this class. So this is called multi-level inheritance. This class, more advanced operations, is inheriting the properties from this class, and this class is in turn inheriting from this class. So ultimately all the properties of this class will be reflecting in this class. So this is called multi-level inheritance. And here in this case what we can do is, we can use 3 variables, res1, res2, res3, and here similarly we can call all the methods, subtraction, addition, and if we have this multiplication, we can call this one also. So I hope you have understood this. Let me again give an overview. So in this case, inheritance, that's why is known as is a. It means that this child is a child of this class. This child is a child of this class. So this is called a is a relationship. In case of aggregation or composition, it is has a relationship. Employee has a address. Bike has a engine. But in case of inheritance, it is called is a relationship, because in this case, as you can see, let me tell this thing as a grandfather. So this will be the father and this will be the child. So everything is interlinked, right? This is the son of this and this is the son of this. That's why it is called is a relationship. Okay, so I hope you have understood this properly. Inheritance is the property with the help of which new classes can be created with new methods, and also we can inherit or use the existing methods or fields or properties from the existing classes. So that's why it is called parent and it is called child, or it is called super and it is called sub. Okay, I hope you have understood. Let me just erase this so that I can tell you the types. Single, multiple, then we have hybrid, then we have multi. Let me show you how it is. So class A, class B. In multiple it will be something like this. Class A, class B, and say we have something like class C. It is taking for here and here. So in this case, class C is inheriting from class A and class B. That's why it is called multiple. In case of hybrid, it is something like this. So we have A, we have B, we have say C, and we can have D and E. This can be called hybrid. So C is inheriting from A and B, and D is inheriting from C, E is inheriting from C. So this is hybrid. And in case of multi, it will be something like this. A, B takes from A, and C takes from B. So this is multi-level, this is hybrid, this is multiple, and this is single. Okay. So I hope you have understood about all the concepts of inheritance in Java. So this is a very important topic. This topic is very pivotal because with the help of this we can reuse the code and reuse the properties of each class again and again in our child class. That's why I hope you have understood it properly. If you have any doubts, you can ping me in the comment section, and also if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade and also hit the bell icon so that you receive notifications regarding our latest updates. Thank you. This is Saurabh signing off today. See you in the next video. Happy learning. Bye bye.